Hello world. This is a KO Power motorized golf cart. This golf cart is our proof of concept for our new motor. We've replaced the electric motor of a golf cart with a KO Power motor. What is a KO Power motor? Really, it's exactly like a hybrid, except where the hybrids on the market today use a gasoline-powered combustion engine to recharge the batteries or to move the car when the batteries are low. The KO Power motor uses an induction-based engine, so we just replace the combustion engine with an induction engine. The result is an electric-based motor vehicle that never needs to be recharged by plugging into the grid, never needs fuel, and can travel as many miles as you can put on it, or at least 100,000. Let's take a closer look. Here's the battery bank. A regular golf cart has 36 volts worth of batteries, and that's what we have here too. Although these batteries are lighter than stock golf cart batteries and have a 5-year active life. We have 3 12-volt batteries powering the motor, and we've also included 3 additional batteries as backup. Now here in the back, this is the innovation. It's where we put the knockout in KO. It's our proprietary, patented induction motor. This motor puts out around 40 volts of power and is used to recharge the battery bank that you saw earlier. In this way, the cart never needs to be plugged in and never needs any fuel. And up here we have some gauges. The one on the right shows how much power is being drawn from the batteries, and the one on the left shows how many volts are being sent to recharge the batteries. So how can we have as much power recharging the batteries as we have drawing from the batteries? Physics. Newton's second and third law are at work, along with the force of lift to recharge the batteries on a continuous basis. This is our team. We literally are a garage startup company. We've put together our proof of concept golf cart and now need funding so we can scale our motor up to power a full-sized SUV and develop a standalone generator. The founder of KO Power got the idea for this new induction motor from a newspaper article about a wind-powered car. It took years of trial and error and lots of math to get where we are today. Proud owners of US patent number 8220570. We have a clean powered vehicle that does not have any of the limitations of the electric vehicles on the market. Most electric vehicles can only travel around 50 miles before you have to plug them into the grid to recharge. Golf carts can only travel around 15 miles. We never have to plug in. We never have to hit the pump and refuel. We never have to stop. We're limitless. We need your support to take our concept to the next level, which is to prove scalability. We know we can scale this motor to move a full-sized SUV, but we need money to prove it. Beyond cars, we want to develop standalone home generators so people will be able to get off the grid in mass numbers and not be limited to just wind or solar. As a company, we value social responsibility and want to not only make an impact on the ecology of the planet, but more importantly, we want to impact the standard of living for everyone living on this great rock we call home. We're cordless, fuelless, and endless. Endless miles, endless fun. Dump the pump and support KO Power with one of our great rewards plans. Which one will you choose? A rebate for one of our first production cars? Or will you enter the raffle to let us pimp your ride by putting one of our motors into your car? Or maybe you want to be listed on our plaque of supporters to be displayed when we get into the Smithsonian Museum. We want you to pick a reward you feel good about and help us do some good for our planet.